Next, fourth one, digital downloadable product or else software downloadable product like ebooks and digital files. What is digital downloadable product? A digital downloadable product delivers a digital file after payment, such as ebooks, templates, softwares, audio files, video files, images, etc. This is a digital download product like ebook digital product we are going to create in this course. Okay, to learn in-depth tutorials about e-commerce website designing, first you can visit my channel Balasar Web Developer, and if you visit my website, here you can see I have created 6+ servers free e-commerce website designing course 2026, where in this course you will learn complete e-commerce website designing course like how to create simple product, variable product, groupable product, affiliate product, virtual product, how to integrate payment gateway, shipping methods and all. Okay, so visit my channel and watch this video. I will put this link in the last of this video thumbnail, and also I have kept this link below this video description. Please do check and watch this entire 6 hours plus video to become professional in e-commerce website designing. So now in order to create it, let's go to this all products option, click on add new product, and now let's add title. Let me copy this title from here, personality development ebook, paste it over here. Let's copy this short description and let me add it in the short description section. Okay, now let me copy this long description too. Let me copy the long description and let's place it over here. Okay, you can also change this first line to like heading 6. Okay, so after changing this personal development ebook, here in the product data you need to change these settings like from simple product to this will be like simple product only, and here it should be like downloadable. Okay, you need to enable this option, downloadable product. Okay, now let's add this price as like 1999 and the sale price is 1499. Okay, now here you need to add that file. What is the digital file? Okay, this is a PDF, this is a digital file. We need to upload this file. Okay, so here you can upload from here also, like click on add file, choose the file and you can upload, or else you can go to backend of the website and go to media option, click on add media file, select files, and you can upload this PDF. Okay, let me upload this both, click on open, and this is a ebook personality development PDF. Let me select this PDF and you need to copy this file URL. Okay, let me copy URL and go to this product option. Here you can, in the file URL section, here you can paste this file URL option. Okay, and you can name it the file name like personality development ebook. Okay, you can add multiple ebooks as per your requirement. Okay, so as per this tutorial I'm adding only one ebook. Okay, and here you can add the download limit too. If you want this product to be downloaded for only limit up to 100, you can add 100. If you want it unlimited times, so the customer can buy once and he can download unlimited times. Okay, you can keep it as empty. Okay, and you can also add expiry date for like if you want this should be in for next 1 year after the purchase, the product should be available only from the only for up to 1 year, means you can add like 366. Okay, so it will be counted as 366 days. If you keep it as empty, it will never expire. Okay, you can make the limit like a days as like 6 months or 1 year, 2 years as per your requirements. Okay, and for this video we are not adding any tax and tax classes. Okay, after mentioning these details, go to inventory option, and here before going to this, let me select this product image. Let me select the product image, select this product image, set product image, and let's add the category too. Click on add new category, and here let me add digital product or else digital downloadable product. Let me add digital product, click on add new category. Okay, it comes under this category. Okay, and you can also add like PDFs, tags also, PDFs or ebooks. Let me click on this add option. Okay, and let me publish this and click on preview changes. So here you can see we have added the title, regular price, sale price, short description, long description. So let me click on this option and update. This long description is not visible. Okay, here you can see for this digital product, the product should be only single. Okay, the quantity should be only one. Okay, so how many times how many quantity he may add, only he is going to purchase only one product. Okay, one variation only. Okay, so for this you need to always remember this. Go to inventory option, you need to enable this option like sold individually. Okay, for one order he can place only one product. Okay, because this is a digital product, he can buy once and he can download unlimited times. Okay, so you always need to enable this sold individually option whenever you create a digital product. Okay, so after enabling it, please click on update option, click on preview changes. Here you can see, click on add to cart. So this is a single product we can buy. Okay, and that's how you create this digital downloadable product. Okay. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel. WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.